Are you tired of feeling drained and exhausted because of perimenopause challenges? Hot flashes, mood swings, and disrupted sleep bothering your daily life? Like Susan, many women over 40 are struggling with the physical, mental, and emotional changes of perimenopause. Hot flashes can leave you feeling sweaty and uncomfortable, making it difficult to focus on your daily tasks. And mood swings can leave you feeling irritable and anxious, affecting your relationships, your family, and your work performance. You may be wondering, how much longer must I suffer? It's easy to feel lost and unsure of what to do when perimenopause symptoms start to take over. Many women feel the same way, and you are not alone. Unfortunately, many are told that hormone replacement therapy is the only treatment option.
Susan, I understand how challenging perimenopause can be, and it sounds like you may need some hormonal treatment.
But not everyone wants to take hormones, especially if there's a history of breast cancer in the family. You may be trying everything from eating a balanced diet to exercising regularly, but still not finding relief from your perimenopause symptoms. What most women don't know is that the energy blockages in their bodies can be a significant trigger of these symptoms, such as hot flashes, mood swings, and disrupted sleep. By understanding these blockages and restoring balance to your hormones, it's possible to alleviate those symptoms and feel better. This missing link is crucial for women who want to relieve their perimenopause challenges without resorting to hormone replacement therapy or other forms of medication. That's when Susan came across the 5 Pillars of Energy Daily Accelerators, a unique system I created to help women over 40 relieve perimenopause challenges and physical changes. Hi, I'm Miyako. I've helped women across the globe like Susan overcome perimenopausal challenges without the use of hormones or supplementation. Through over 30 years of experience and learning ancient Asian wisdom from my mentor, a Japanese key expert, I've identified energy stagnation as one of the triggers of perimenopausal symptoms, and I have refined them for modern busy women like you. This holistic approach removes energy blockages in your body and activates your energy and blood flow, allowing you to alleviate physical challenges, feel more energized and nourished, and rejuvenated both now and over the long term. My system is based on the 5 Pillars of Energy Daily Accelerators, which are energetic breathing, cellular visualization, rejuvenating sleep, energetic nourishment, and intelligent body. They work like propellers of your energy engine. I call this Miyako Energetic Life Design. Let me share a case study of Susan. Susan was initially skeptical and resistant to trying the 5 Pillars of Energy Daily Accelerators because she tried yoga, meditations, teas, and various other remedies, but nothing really seemed to work. She wondered if anything could really help her manage her perimenopausal symptoms like tiredness, migraines, hot flashes, night sweats, eye strain, belly fat, and sleep problems. But as she listened to how this system works and how breathing is the core foundation of the practice, something resonated with her because she realized that she was holding her breath so often at work. So she decided to give it a try. After all, improving her breathing seemed like a good place to start. 1. Energetic breathing. When Susan learned the first pillar, energetic breathing, she felt a glimpse of hope. Because after she tried my breathing technique, including what I call breathing like a tree, she felt the tension in her body begin to release. It didn't happen right away, but after practicing for just 10 minutes each day, Susan noticed that her hot flashes and migraines were relieved. She also felt an increase in her energy levels, something she had not experienced in months. Pillar 2, cellular visualization. With the second pillar, cellular visualization, Susan discovered how she had been holding negative beliefs about her body and aging. It's natural to have doubts and fears, right? Through cellular visualization techniques, Susan began to replace those negative thoughts with empowering beliefs about her true self. She felt happier, acknowledging that the fact that she could trust her body's ability to heal and renew itself no matter her age. Pillar 3, rejuvenating sleep. Susan struggled with disrupted sleep and waking up tired and groggy. With the third pillar, rejuvenating sleep, she learned how to create a simple bedtime routine to let go of stress and prepare her mind and body for restful sleep. Along with proper breathing, this helped Susan restore her energy, allowing her to wake up feeling more refreshed every morning and increase focus to tackle her daily tasks. Pillar 4, energetic nourishment. With the fourth pillar, energetic nourishment, Susan discovered how to fuel her body with the right foods. By incorporating those foods into her daily meals, she found relief from stomach heaviness and was able to avoid emotional eating that caused unwanted weight gain around her waist without needing to take supplements. She found food that were in tune with her body, which not only made her feel better, but also brought joy to her eating experience. Pillar 5, intelligent body. With the fifth pillar, intelligent body, Susan learned to tap into her body's incredible inner power, which I call fountain of inner youth. By practicing the intelligent body, Susan developed a habit to listen to her body's needs and respond effectively, giving her a renewed sense of vitality and confidence. Can you feel how powerful these pillars working together? As you see, they not only ease symptoms of perimenopause, but also provide you with consistent energy, all without relying on hormones or medications. Plus, there are no side effects, and practicing these pillars will allow you to achieve overall health even as you age. Your friends will notice a change and ask, "What's happening to you? You look different." You can just give them a warm smile. And the best part is, the 5 pillars of Energy Daily Accelerators are easy to integrate in your daily routine. Don't you just want to feel better and have more energy to tackle the day? So if you're ready to take control of your energy levels and find relief from perimenopausal symptoms, I'd like to invite you to join me and discover the transformative power of the 5 pillars of Energy Daily Accelerators. And here's the exciting part. I have a special gift for you that can truly make a difference in your life. It's my free guide called Unlocking the 5 Hidden Gems for Perimenopause Symptoms Relief. This guide empowers you to find natural relief and unleash your inner radiance without relying on supplements or hormones. Inside, you'll discover the secrets to naturally finding relief from your symptoms. I'll guide you through challenges that are often misunderstood, helping you find effective solutions that work for many women just like you. Imagine saying goodbye to restless nights and those annoying hot flashes, and embracing life with renewed energy and vibrancy. What would that look like for you? This guide is your first step toward menopause revolution. Click the link in the description below to instantly access your free guide and join me on this amazing journey to your vibrant self in your prime years. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!